What's up YouTube? This is going to be a real quick video on how I fixed my second gen Cummins AC. I'm not going to do a video installing this because it couldn't be simpler. 16mm combination wrench, undo it, throw the new O-ring on, put this on. It won't leak any refrigerant, there's a valve. But I tested this I put an AC manifold gauge set on my truck and the pressure was equalized, telling me the compressor wasn't spinning, which was obvious because you could tell the compressor isn't spinning because, you know, the end of the clutch was stationary instead of, well, spinning. Now the AC compressor is spinning. So this is right there on the accumulator. And to jump it, well, I'll show the video that I took before I'd actually solved the truck when I was troubleshooting. And jump it. Alright, so I'm jumping that connection at the cycling switch on the accumulator. Now the AC compressor is spinning. Apparently that switch is a real cheap fix. Oh man, it's blowing cold! It's never blown cold! So, yeah, hopefully that kind of helps you diagnose something. So now she's blowing cold because the compressor's on. And it could be that switch is bad, or you could be lower or high on freon. I just had this thing charged at a shop with a legit machine. And you said you put 2 pounds in it, and it's a shop I trust. All there